Thomas with Houston Paint Protection, here to answer more frequently asked questions surrounding ceramic window tint. One of the most common questions we get here in the shop, because we primarily deal with new vehicles, is should I still get ceramic window tint, or should I have my windows re-tinted if they came with tint from the dealership? So as you can see right here next to us, we have this Lamborghini Urus, and it's got window tint on the two front, which is very common for full-size SUVs and trucks. Typically they come with privacy glass on the back, so they're gonna tint just the front two so they match all the way around. Now, the thing with dealerships is when they get their window tint done, they're typically getting it from the cheapest possible subcontractor that will come in and work on the cars, which means they're using a very low quality film. And there is almost no chance that they're going to be using a ceramic window tint, or B, that they're going to be using a quality film that's gonna last a long time, where it's color stable, won't bubble, and will just last many years. If you recall, the difference between ceramic window tint and your traditional window films is the fact that ceramics block a lot of the incoming heat, the ultraviolet UV or infrared IR that comes through the glass and causes that burning sensation and uncomfortable feeling. So if you're looking to block all of that and drive in more comfort and have that heat rejection, the answer is yes. You will need to have the windows retinted, or if you would like, tint the whole vehicle, the windshield, whatever you would like, but it's going to need to be done if you want to experience those benefits that ceramic window tint provides. If you call us up and you say, hey, I just want the windows to be darker, I'm happy with the way they look right now, then we'll tell you every single time, roll with what you got, don't worry about it. Only switch over if you're specifically wanting the ceramic window film and to get the heat rejection benefits. If you've just purchased a new car and you're interested in ceramic window tint or have more questions about the product or service, visit us at HoustonPaintProtection.com or stop by the shop in person. We'll be happy to help you out.